Hello guys and welcome to a Unity video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a basics movement of a character in your game. And I'm very sorry for the long time that I haven't been to upload any videos. There's just some problems. I had a trip to go to another place, and okay, at least we're back and we'll be active from now on. So let's get started on how to make a simple character movement in your game for a player to move. Okay, first we create a 3D object, a cube, and just drag this out so there's something for the player to move on. This is just an example. You can make your player move on anything. Doesn't have to be something like this. And okay. And after this, make a 3D object of a sphere and just get a bit up. Okay. And you're gonna click on the add component and add a rigid body to it and a sphere collider as well. So when it touches the ground, it can stay on it and not just all fall down. We have to do the same to the cube, but here we're only going to add the box collider. Okay, now because the color is the same, it won't be like they'll go into each other. We won't see the ball moving. Just quickly make a material, just name it anything, and just make it a color so that it can be shown on the white. And get on the sphere, get down and put it on there, and it'll be red. Okay, now we're gonna create a simple C# script called player controller and open this up in MonDevelop. And this is gonna be a very simple and straightforward script, not too complicated. So first we are gonna make a public float for it for the speed. And okay, we're gonna make a public float speed, let's see, equal to 10, and we're also gonna need a rigid body for the sphere, so we can say so private rigid body, let's call it ridge. Okay, now in the start we have to actually get the component from it, so it knows that this we have to assign it. So ridge is equal to get component, the two brackets in there, and in these two you're going to write rigid body. So it's assigned that ridge is get the component of the rigid body. And on the update, void update, we have to write float, make a float for the h axis, which is going to be the horizontal, which is left and right, is equal to input dot get axis, which is going to be for the horizontal. Make sure you spell it right, because if you get this wrong, then nothing will work, because this word is actually in the player input, which you have to get right. So just copy paste this and down here make this the z axis and get this to vertical. And now after this you have to make a vector3 for it, so we can assign if you get the h-axis it'll move horizontal and the v-axis it'll move vertical. So vector 3, we're going to call it movement, is equal to new vector 3, and for the horizontal h-axis we don't need any y for now, so just put a 0, and for vertical v-axis v it's called I spelled it wrong, sorry, call it v-axis, okay, and we're going to multiply by the speed so it can actually move, and times time dot delta time. Okay, and in the next line we'll actually assign it, so the rigid body, which is the sphere, dot move the position to transform dot position plus the movement, so it can actually move around. And this is basically it, nothing else. So we're going to wait for it to compile up, and in the sphere we'll go add component, and in here we'll write the name of the script, whatever you've named it. We've named play controller, and let the speed still be normal 10. And now we're gonna go start running it, like finish compiling. Okay, player controller. Okay, we've added that. Now let's play the game, and you can just move it around with your arrow keys. So let play, and the ball's gonna fall down, and right key, left key, up, right, left. Okay, so it's working fine. So that's basically on how to get a simple player movement. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget